Basic Calculus Tutorial, Factoring and Limits.
Good morning! Today, we will tackle about factoring. Okay, by the way, what does factoring means? Okay, factoring is to factor number, means to break it up into numbers that can be multiplied together to get the original value or number. Okay, for example, so what are the possible factors for 6? So we can factor 6 by using 1 multiplied by 6, because 1 multiplied by 6 is same as 6. Then another factor for 6 is 3 times 2. 3 plus 3, like that, is equals to 6. So therefore, we got the same answer. So we have here some exercises. Okay, one exercises from factoring. Exercises number 1. Okay, number 1. Fish. So we got letter A here. So our first exercise is x squared minus 20x plus 100. So how do we get the answer? Oh, I know how to get the answer. So first things first, we need to get the factor of x squared so that we can factor the next value. Okay, so let's put x to the next other side, x. So put parentheses so that it assume that x squared factor is double x. Okay, so what is the factor for 20x and 100? So let's try 10. Okay, but what sign we will use? So we will use the negative sign. Okay, because negative times negative is positive. So 10 here and 10 here. Or should we write this equation as x minus 10 squared? Okay, because the factor of this are same equation. Okay, so this is the final answer of this equation. Let's proceed now to the limits. So did you know what does limit means? Okay, limits a function or a sequence approaches as the input or index approaches to some values. So let's have this. First we will write the formula of limits. So by the way, who knows what is the formula of limits? Okay, here it is, the limit formula. Okay, let's write lim. Okay, I'm sorry for my marker. Lim. Okay, clear? Okay, lim x. Lim stands for limits. Okay, lim stands for limits. Okay, x approaches to c. So lim we should put here f of x, because if the teacher gives you a problem, you need to put always f of x. Then if what number does limit have here? Example. Okay, here example, here the limit. So we've got, okay, assuming that this is I put here limit x approaches to 4. Okay, to 4. To 4. So, limit approaches to 4. Okay. So, this is the given problem. When your teacher gives you this problem, for example, 2x plus 4. Okay, like that. 2x plus 4. So, we should write always f of x. If this lim, okay, x approaches to 4, 2x plus 4. Okay, that was our given problem. 2x plus 4. So, if you write this, you have 1 point. Okay. Somewhat, the teacher gives a bonus point if you do not put this problem. Okay. But, take note. You need to put a problem. If you do not put this equation problem, maybe your exam or your test will get low. Okay? So we will substitute our x approaches to this limit equation. So do not put limit, just put equal sign. So equal 2 times 4 plus 4. So equal 2 times 4 is 8 plus 4. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8 plus 4. Okay, copy 4. Then I will write it. 8 plus 4 is, for this point system, you have 1 point, and also for the answer, you got 1 point. No point for the solution. You have a point here, but no for the solution, because the solution is a part of problem. It's a part of problem. If you do not write this, maybe your final answer only had a point. Okay. So another example. Did you heard about piecewise? Okay, piecewise function here. F of x. Okay, if x plus 9, okay, then x, 2x plus 4. Then let's get it back. So, if it's less than 3, okay, like that. Then greater than 3. So, why should I put this at the ending of this equation? Because I said a while ago, problem set is important. Okay, let's get the limit notation for this first piecewise. Okay, so we should write lim x approaches to 3. Okay, because 3 is going to this left side, so we will put here negative. Okay, from the upper part of this 3. Then put also the problem, the given problem, x plus 9. So like that. Again, I tell you, if you don't put this problem, maybe you do not have points. So, here. So, we got limit x approaches to 3 minus negative. So, x plus 9, right? Okay, is equals to, substitute 3 to x, then plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. So 11, right? Okay. Next, just remember this answer. 11. So let's try the another one. Piecewise stated at ending that greater than 3. 2x plus 4 is greater than 3. So we need to put here a plus sign or a positive sign, whatever you call that sign, because it's a sign. So 2x plus 4, okay, don't forget to write the limit notation formula. Problem, I mean. So, let's substitute 2 times 3 plus 4. 2 times 3 plus 4. 2 times 3 is 6, right? Plus 4 is equals to 10. So, the limit notation, okay, just write this problem again, but do not write this anymore. The 2x plus 4. Understood that the piecewise function shows the greaterness. The greaterness of the sign, okay? So the first answer that we made, okay, from the negative sign, okay, is equal to 11, right? So limit notation, x approaches to 3 positive is equals to 10. So if this answer are different, so the final answer should be limit, okay, limit x approaches to 3. Okay, I will zoom it in. Limit approaches, x approaches to 3 is dne, because if two answer is not the same, you should put dne, and don't forget to put the f of x at the end. Okay, just put f of x. So we got here 3 points. Okay, 2 points only. Then 2 points because the problem and the answer. Then here is 1 point because we know that both of them are not limits. Okay. DNE stands for nothing. Okay. So thank you for listening to my tutorial. Again, I am Xavier Alvarado, and this is your basic calculus tutorial.